Silicone urinary sheath. Factory in China. We are a medical device manufacturer, specializing in silicone urinary sheaths. Under ISO 13485. Made with medical grade silicone. For comfort, safety, and flexibility. Designed for reliable male urinary management. Every sheath undergoes strict quality control. From molding to final inspection. We support OEM and ODM partners worldwide, supplying distributors across Europe and North America. Looking for a trusted silicone urinary sheath manufacturer? Contact us to learn more.